Julie's boss asked her to create a display of canned peaches in the grocery store where she works. He told her to stack the cans to form a pyramid 13 rows tall and to make sure that the pyramid was solid. To prevent the cans from falling and hurting customers, he instructed her to make the pyramid with the one can on top, and the top row, 4 cans in the next row, and so on.
How many cans will she need for the bottom row? When the pyramid is completed, how many cans of peaches will it contain? How can you find your answers? Explain.
So first we do what we know. We know that the can needs to form a pyramid, and there's supposed to be 13 rows in the pyramid. And the first row has 1 can and the second row has 4 cans.
And what we need to find out are how many cans she will need for the bottom row when the pyramid is complete, and how many cans of peaches will it contain. Using pictures, numbers, and words.
So first we use numbers to explain. So we drew a table, and on one side we did numbers of rows, on the other side we did number of cans. So the first, we know that there's supposed to be 13 rows, so there's 13 numbers. And we know that the first row has 1 can, and the second row has 4 cans. So we tried to find the pattern between these two numbers, and the pattern that we found was 1 times 1 equals 1, 2 times 2 equals 4, and 3 times 3 equals 9, and so on. And the pattern rule is n times n. So when we did our calculations, the 13 row has 169 cans, and when we added all these calculations, we had 819 cans.
Okay, so Julie's boss said the shape of the pyramid has to be a square. Well, it has to be a square so it prevents the cans from falling. And the bottom row is going to have 169 cans in a square shape, and the next row will have 144 cans, and so on. And the pyramid will be a square-based pyramid.
There are 819 cans in the whole pyramid. We know this because the pattern rule for each row is n times n, turn times turn. And this tells us that the number of cans that will be in each row. The pyramid will take the form of a square-based pyramid. The base of the pyramid will consist of 169 cans in a square shape.
By Sumaiya, Javed, Navdeep Singh, Arish Ahmed, and Komal also in UAE.